Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down an AUDUSD trade that you could have been in if you had the information within the trading course. All right, within my trading course, if you had that information, this is a trade right here that would have produced you 22.27% on AUDUSD, a major currency pair, headed for take profit 2 that is resting around 30.95%. Guys, listen. I try to tell you guys this all the time. It's very, very simple once you have the information. We're going to be breaking this down from top to bottom. I'm not going to do too much teaching in this video, okay? But I want you guys to go ahead and put this information on your charts. Go ahead and backtest this area, because this could have been a trade that you could have been a part of if you were a part of the course. Link is in the description. With that being said, if you're not a part of the YouTube family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the family. Let's go ahead and get into this. Leave a like on the video. Helps out with the algorithm. Sit back, relax, and let's get it. So starting off on the H4 time frame, right, we can see that price essentially breaks above this supply here. Okay, we have supply resting within the market here. Okay, we have inducement here. We have inducement here to mitigate 50%. Price consolidates just a little bit right here, and then we finally break above this zone. And essentially we give a supply failure here. These were the demand zones that I decided to use. This one here, okay, with the information within the institutional trading course, you could have refined to this zone here as well as this zone right here, just based on simple rules, right? We were also able to take advantage of this trade here with this move to the upside, right? We were also able to catch this move to the downside here. We didn't really take advantage of this push up or this push down, right? But then this push to the upside, man, if only you guys had the information within the course, you would have caught this. That is a full FTMO account challenge passed. I mean, that's 22%, right? With a $100,000 FTMO account challenge, that is $22,000 that you can withdraw. That's absolutely bananas, right? And I know my students definitely ate off of this trade. I hope you did as well, right? I hope you were able to catch some type of move to the upside here. So these were the zones that we were playing with, right? And once price taps into these zones, okay, then that is when you're going to look for your entry, all right? So I'll meet you guys down on the M15 time frame so we can look at this. I'm going to interrupt the video for a split second, and I wanted to tell you guys about this trade right here. This is a DXY trade that we took within the Telegram community earlier this week, and as you guys can see, this trade is about to produce us 16.78%. We risked around 8.5 pips for about 142.6 pips on the DXY index, and as you guys can see, we are about to hit target pretty soon here, right? Now, this only took a couple of days for us to produce 16%. There are multiple individuals within the Telegram community that are going to be passing their funded accounts. There are multiple students that are going to be passing their funded accounts, all from one trade, right? Now, if you're someone who wants to produce about 16% in 2 days and 16 hours, right, and be able to withdraw $16,000 from your $100,000 funded FTMO account, what I want you to do is join the mentorship program right now. Click the link in the description, join the mentorship program, and if you cannot afford the mentorship program, no worries. Take advantage of my setups within the Telegram community and take advantage of the profits, all right? Use the profits, reinvest it into yourself, and let's get the ball rolling, all right? Now let's get back to the video. Let's get back to the lower time frame. So once we tap into the M15 time frame, okay, and I'll go ahead and label some of this for you guys, all right? Once we tap into the zone here, okay, this is essentially our sweep of liquidity to the downside. So we'll place that there, right? So we see that price sweeps this liquidity here. We have a little bit of consolidation. Essentially, range demand comes into the market before price pushes to the upside. Now, we can also use this tool here. Okay, students of mine, you guys know all about this tool, right? That's also going to be within the course as well, right? So we have price react to whatever supply was in the market here. All right, we had a failed reaction here, and then finally price, takes out the failed reaction, gives a change of character and the supply failure, right? So then we have this area of demand here. We have a little bit of inducement dropped right above this area. Okay, price taps into this region. Risk on this trade was about 8.5 pips, and the rest was history. This is what I mean when I say your trading can be easy and very, very straightforward if you want it to be. Now, if you're someone you want trading to be complicated, then feel free to continue trading how you're trading. But if you're someone and you want simple rules, simple steps, where you can look for these types of trades over and over and over again because they happen every single day, if you're that individual, I want you to check out the institutional trading course. Link is in the description. Right? It's going to turn you into a type of trader that can catch these types of trades on repeat. Right? As you guys can see, this month has been a phenomenal month. Right? Even if we just look at AUDUSD, results have been phenomenal. Right? They've been absolutely phenomenal. You guys can take advantage of all of this. Right? We have 4.78%, 7.6%, 10%, 22%. You guys can take advantage of that. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I would love to answer your questions and things like that. And before we get going, okay, I wanted to give you guys a free trade setup. All right, so right now we're going to go to gold. All right, I have a setup for you guys on gold. Okay, essentially, now you guys can ignore this here. Okay, this was just something that I went over with my students. I will not be taking this trade here. Okay, do not take this trade. What I want you guys to do is when price taps into this region here, let's delete this. When price taps into this region, we'll place one price label here, and we'll place one price label here. Okay, within this area, I want you guys to look for a buy position. Okay, I'm not necessarily going to tell you exactly what to look for your buy position, things like that, but I want you guys to look for a buy position here, and then look to take profit. Okay, for you guys on YouTube, look to take profit somewhere around this high here, okay, which is resting around 2009. All right, so look to take buy positions here when price taps to this region, and then look to take profit here. Right now, my Telegram community, you guys will know exactly when I will be looking for a trade and on what time frame I'll be looking for that trade and how that entry is going to look. So for those of you who are a part of the Telegram community, you guys are good to go and you guys are set. You guys pretty much don't have to do anything except have your notifications on. Everyone else, feel free to look for your own buy position here. Okay, take profit here. All right, those of you within the Telegram community as well, we will have a different take profit. Okay, we'll be looking to target some more expensive pricing. But everyone on YouTube, you guys feel free to take profit here, and it should be some great profits. Right now, if our entry does not form within this region, then I will not be in the trade. Okay, and I suggest you guys do the same. All right. With that being said, this is your boy Trillionaire Mac. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Much love. Peace out.